In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bonus amount in 1xBet Casino. The procedure will be very simple. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. First, you're going to come and click on your menu. From here, if you have made your first deposit of account with your promo code, you are going to click at the level of your electronic purse. You will see that the main account, you will go down and you see at the level of main account, just right down, you are going to see the option of the bonus account, where you will use that bonus account now so as to put it and make it your main account for the moment. Now, depending also on the money that you have, which could be obligatory, it must be a very high amount of money so as to use it. Then now, after doing so, you're going to come at the level of casino. You're going to click first on casino for the personalization of your promo. If you want, you can see the game of the week and all the rest so as to play. On other option now, you can come at the level of promo here now. You will click on promo, you will see the gift and bonuses for the games. You can come and click here at the level of bonuses for the games. And if you're having now a considerable amount of bonus, either where at the level of you have played the free games, for example, like the lucky wheel and all the rest, you're going to see that your bonus will be now be very high, depending on how you are playing and on how you are also winning. And then when doing so now, by converting that amount so as to put it in your 1xBet account now and to remove it if you like. And it is as simple as that.